Reasons to modernize your desktop. In today's competitive business landscape, users' needs are continuously changing. No longer is work a place, but rather an idea that is ubiquitous, constant, and borderless. Employees want access to their data and applications anytime, anywhere, from any device. So that ideas, collaboration, and innovation aren't limited to business hours or office building. They want information on demand and are looking to emerging tools for new ways to communicate and work. To keep up with this changing and evolving needs, IT department needs a solution that meets the need of both employees and IT, something not possible with a traditional PC model. Desktop modernization is about evolving from the PC centric model to a user centric model. This means moving beyond the physical PC to a state that is highly flexible, easy to manage, customized to suit users' need and ready for new and future technology. The journey to user-centric computing begins with modernizing the desktop, cutting the tie that binds user, application and data to a single piece of hardware. Users benefit from the freedom to connect regardless of location and device to an environmental that is personalized and familiar. IT department benefits from efficiency of achieving the control, security and manageability that traditional desktop computing could never afford. Businesses benefit from lower operational cost, faster time to market and highlight employee productivity. Reasons IT department should embark on a desktop modernization strategy. Reduce total cost of ownership. VMware View allows IT administrator to take advantage of automation and centralized management and include tools for easy provisioning, new desktop and setting policy. With a single central desktop image, IT staff can quickly create desktop and push up to thousands of virtual desktop in a minute, significantly reducing the time and expense required to perform common tasks. Unleash user freedom. VMware View allows employee to gain access across device and location with a consistent user experience, whether they are in the office, at home or traveling. And because this user experience is consistent, employees are more productive since they always know where their documents are and are greeted by the same customized interface each time they log in. Simplify desktop security. By centralizing desktop component, VMware View highlighted security because sensitive content need never leave the data center, virtually eliminating the threat of the data loss or theft. Take control. With VMware View, IT department can control data application and intellectual property access through centralized policy developed by IT. For example, IT administration can create policy that detect if a user can move files from his or her virtual computer in a data server to local endpoint device. Manage application more efficiently. IT department can further simplify desktop by deploying VMware Thin app which work with VMware View to accelerate application deployment and simplify application migration. With Thin application runs completely isolated from one another and from the operating system for conflict-free execution on endpoint device. Thin amp application packages can be deployed to different Windows platform, eliminating costly recording and testing so that migrating existing application to new operating system can be done easily. Simplify desktop for user. With automated backup as well as centralized updating, patching and antivirus or malware scanning. VMware View simplifies the end user application so employee can focus on productivity and not worry about managing their desktop. And because users' data and application are stored in the data center, impact is significantly minimized in the case of client hardware loss or failure, because user can log in from another device and quickly pick up work where they left off. Integrate IT infrastructure. Deploying VMware View desktop virtualization with VMware vSphere for server virtualization allows IT department to reap the benefit of tight integration. The benefit of virtualization, including management, performance, and availability efficiency, can be extended from the data center to the desktop. In addition, the same skill set can be leveraged by IT professionals to deploy and manage infrastructure for virtualized desktop and server. Improve business agility. The ubiquitous access that desktop visualization delivers means technology doesn't get in the way of innovation, but rather enhance it by allowing for new ways to work anytime, anywhere. Employee productivity increase as technology make access to data and application fast, flexible and mobile, and users are freed to focus on strategic issues. Migrate the new platform. By combining desktop virtualization with VMware, Thin App organization can significantly reduce the time and expense of moving the new platform. In addition, Thin App removes concern over application conflict, eliminating the potential for the need to rewrite code that conflict can produce. And by abstracting application from the operating system, Thin App is support for environmental that are a mixture of new and older operating system version. Ease adoption of new technology. By enabling a more efficient IT processor, desktop virtualization products such as VMware View simplify administration tasks so that essential IT staff can focus on more strategic areas. VMware View eases the adoption of new end user device and set the stage for next generation computing models such as cloud-based and SaaS-based application delivery to truly modernize your desktop. Running virtualized desktop means IT department can deploy a variety of end user devices and or allow employee to leverage their own without security management or control concerned. An employee can be allowed to use new type of application and services safely without management or conflict concern. Finally, IT can spend less time managing desktop and more time driving innovation for your business. Thanking you. For more info, log on to www.ideastack.com.